Alright, we took the plugs out, screwing in an air compressor adapter to put pressure in the cylinder. We're going to do the first cylinder up here. This is a LS valve spring change out. And the air in the compression chamber will just hold the valves up while we're doing the job.
This tool in here would be nice. Was there a part number on this, the blue springs?
Chevrolet Performance springs?
Yeah.
So these are Chevrolet Performance, essentially the ones that go into ls6 and ls9. Let me see, we got ours from Summit. Thank you, Summit. And so there's the part number 1265033. 1265033 Chevrolet Performance. And these are the ones we're taking out. They're stock LS springs, and we're going to go to these essentially Corvette ls6, ls9 ones. Again, thank you, Summit Racing Equipment. And got to have that valve spring compressor tool. A little bit like looks a little bit like this one. We have two so we can speed up the job. Just screw on the retaining flange, tighten it down. You'll see the springs get compressed. And then you can take out the retaining clip guides with a magnetic magnet. Two on each side. Let the pressure off the spring. Old springs out, new springs in. These are called beehive springs.
Back together.
Compress the new springs down there. New clips and retainers. Well, see the seat right in there. One on the other side. Sliding around the spring to get them to seat in. Do the other side. One.
Just wiggle on this tool to give it some more room.
Two. And come up slowly. And they seat in. So we did this whole bank. Now we got to move to the other side. Give you a shot where we're at with the engine. Again, twin turbo LQ4 408 engine. Right now we have a fast, easy LS setup. That's not for turbo. You got to go with the fast XLS Sportsman, but we might swap this out for something else, the ECM. All right, one side done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Post comments and subscribe.